avoid the problem in chat rooms. Don't go into unmoderated chat rooms. There are certain chat rooms which are run by reputed companies or organization, and that particular company or organization monitors each and every activity going in the chat room. So we have to enter such chat rooms which are monitored by organizations. Never give up your personal information into any of the chat rooms. Never agree to get together with anyone you meet in the chat room without first checking with your parents. So for example, somebody has met us in the chat room and is forcing us to meet in a particular place. So first we have to take the concern of our parents, and I will just tell you that whenever you are meeting an unknown person, it is better to carry your parents with you, and you have to meet them in a public place. Moving ahead, behavior checklist for chat room. Inappropriate behavior in chat room, bad language, cyberbullying. Remember that people are not always whom they seem to be. Always there are chances that in the chat room people are assuming to be of very good behavior, but in normal they are not. Be very careful about people who offer easy solution to difficult problem or make offers that are too good to be true. These are the person who are just trying to be friendly with you so that they are able to gain maximum personal information from you, and by using that personal information they might just blackmail you, or they might harass you somewhere in period of time. So yes, these are some of the checklists for chat rooms.